For gases that are denser than air, we can collect them using the downward delivery method. For this chemical reaction, we are using sodium hypochlorite and hydrochloric acid. In this reaction, chlorine gas is produced. As chlorine gas is denser than air, we will collect it by the downward delivery method. Here is the experimental setup. First, transfer 10 cm cube of hydrochloric acid into a boiling tube. Add 10 cm cube of sodium hypochlorite into the boiling tube with acid. Gently heat the mixture. Turn off the Bunsen burner before the mixture starts to boil. The chlorine gas is collected through the downward delivery method, where it sinks and collects at the bottom of the test tube. After the gas collection is complete, place a damp blue litmus paper at the mouth of the test tube. The collected gas turns the damp blue litmus paper red initially, then bleaches it white, confirming the presence of chlorine.